The Freedom Trail. The Freedom Trail is a 2.5-mile-long path located in Boston, Massachusetts, USA that passes by 16 historic sites that played a significant role in the American Revolution. The trail is marked with a red brick or painted line on the pavement, making it easy for visitors to follow. The Freedom Trail is a popular tourist destination in Boston, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to learn about the city's rich history and the events that led to American independence. Along the trail, visitors can explore many historic sites, including the Massachusetts State House, the Old North Church, the Paul Revere House, and the USS Constitution Museum. Visitors can take a self-guided tour of the Freedom Trail using a map or guidebook, or they can join a guided tour led by a knowledgeable tour guide. The trail is accessible to people of all ages and abilities, and many of the sites along the trail offer exhibits and educational programs to help visitors learn more about Boston's role in the American Revolution. Overall, the Freedom Trail is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in American history and the founding of the United States. It is a living museum that provides a unique and immersive experience of the city's revolutionary past. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more updates.